past, present, and future. If now anyone should ask, have you been in the past? And is it untrue that you have not been? Will you be in the future? And is it untrue that you will not be? Are you, and is it untrue that you are not? You may say that you have been in the past, and it is untrue that you have not been, that you will be in the future, and it is untrue that you will not be, that you are, and it is untrue that you are not. In the past only, the past existence was real, but unreal. The future and present existence. In the future only, the future existence will be real, but unreal. The past and present existence, now only the present existence is real, but unreal, the past and future existence. Verily, he who perceives the dependent origination perceives the truth, and he who perceives the truth perceives the dependent origination. For just as from the cow comes milk, from milk curds, from curds butter, from butter ghee, from ghee the scum of ghee, and when it is milk, it is not counted as curds or butter or ghee or scum of ghee, but only as milk. And when it is curds, it is only counted as curds. Just so was my past existence at that time real, but unreal. The future, the present existence, and my future existence will be at one time real, but unreal. The past and present existence, and my present existence is now real, but unreal. The past and future existence. All these are merely popular designations and expressions, mere conventional terms of speaking, mere popular notions. The perfect one, indeed, makes use of these without ever clinging to them. Thus, he who does not understand corporeality, feeling, perception, mental formations, and consciousness according to reality, i.e., as void of personality or ego, and not their arising, their extinction, and their way to their extinction, he is liable to believe either that the perfect one continues after death, or that he does not continue after death, and so forth. Verily, if one holds the view that the vital principle, ego, is identical with this body, in that case, a holy life is not possible, quite different from the body. In that case, also, a holy life is not possible. Both these two extremes the perfect one has avoided and shown the middle doctrine, saying, and I will clean the screen a touch before the next program. But yeah, we, the time factor is not what we are, particularly if we point at any one point.